Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is 30th of October, Thursday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 13, verses 31 to 35. In the gospel, some of the Pharisees approached to Jesus, telling him that he should leave Jerusalem because Herod was trying to kill him. But Jesus said, "Tell to that fox, I will continue to proclaim the good news to cast out evil today and tomorrow and the next day." He wasn't alarmed at all. He was decided to stay because for that reason, he became man. My dear sisters and brothers, let us learn and get our inspiration from the dedication and the courage of Jesus to go on with life. He was meant to be discouraged, but he didn't allow that discouragement to stop him from doing what is right, and it didn't stop him to continue his own mission. What discouragement have you encountered lately? Maybe in your work, in your relationship, in your family, or even on the things that you like doing most. Probably in one of your hobbies. There will be people who will try to discourage us from doing our mission and from doing the things that are making us better persons. However, just like what Jesus did, if you think your path is clear, your mission is honest and good, and the desire of your heart is pure, even if there will be discouragement, go on, because it is always worth giving a try. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, let us be motivated and be inspired by the desire of Jesus to do the truth no matter what. And so once you feel empowered, go on and have a clear vision of what you want to do in your life. God bless.